and present. Okay. Hello, mga kaingo and Jacko natics natin dyan. Hello, hello sa inyo. Again, this is Tutor Jacko, as always, at your service. Okay. Well, thank you for supporting me, guys. And now we have a new video. Okay, so this video is about a presentation. Okay, so this is a Canva tutorial. Actually, I made a video. Okay, I made a presentation for my next video about how to become an Ingo tutor. Okay, so inisa ko na dito, guys. Okay, so while I'm doing the presentation, I am at the same time I'm making a video tutorial on Canva. Okay, so how to make a presentation using Canva. All right, so ang Canva, guys, we have already, mayroon na tayong presentation template. Okay, so andun na lahat. Okay, the elements. So all you just need to do is to copy and then edit. Okay, the content. Then you can also add your own pictures and you can also add other elements. Okay, and then if you want, you can make actually your own presentation. Okay, so in this tutorial, so I made a video how to do it. Okay, so ito yung ginawa kong presentation para isahan na lang. Okay, so tipid sa time and tipid sa effort kasi andun na Canva tutorial and at the same time an Ingo video. Okay, so are you ready, mga ka-Ingo and Jackonatics? So come on, let's get it on. Here we go. Okay, there you go. So I just just click create a design and then how to, let's have a fine name, how to apply. Okay, how to apply na lang. All right, so well, as you can see, you have different um, what do you call this, template. Okay, let's try to search. Okay, so you can always search, like for example, gusto mo ng teaching. Okay, so ito na, so ibibigay na dito yung mga teaching. Okay, so let's try this one. I think I'm gonna like it. I like the color. Okay, so importante kasi whenever you make things like this. All right, so now let's try to apply all the pages. Okay, so para hindi ka na mag-a-add. Okay, kasi kung ano ka pa, mag-a-add ka pa dyan. So andyan na, meron na rin yung mga presentation. Okay, so again, this is social media marketing trends. Okay, so pwede mo rin naman itong gamitin. Okay, so yeah, so this is the first page. and present. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So I think that's it, guys. And yeah, this is how you are going to make your presentation in Canva. Okay, so you can make a presentation for school, reporting, okay, and business. It's really easy, guys, because we already have a lot of templates you can use, okay, available here in Canva for free. Okay, so mayroon na tayong mga templates na free. And then also you have like the design, the pictures, and the different elements that you can use, okay, for free. All right. But of course, if you want a very good result, you can always, subscribe to their Canva Pro or their enterprise plan. Okay, and yeah, if you don't have like an account in Canva, just go to the description of this video, just click the link, and then you will be routed to their website, and then you need to sign up. Okay, guys, and yeah, thank you by the way for watching my video today. I truly appreciate that you are, giving your time in watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and also the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga happenings dito sa aking channel. And then click like, okay? Then if you have comments or suggestions, okay, just feel free, okay? If you have questions about Ingo or about Canva, you can always ask in the comment section. All right, so always comment. And then if you want some other tutorials about anything and everything under the sun and moon, you can always write, okay, your suggestions in the comment box. So that's it for today, and looking forward to seeing more of you, and hope to see you again. Okay, so bye for now, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.